to see her sleeping like an angel there. I write her poems and I write her songs. If I had some paper on it, I'd draw her a pretty picture. Don't you know I'd give it all to stand there by her side forever. She's my love, and I say I hope we grow together, wrinkled gray and on our walkers, make the years as best we can. Kiss your lips, I'll hold your hand. All the flowers I will give you, roses red and violets of blue. Hundreds of special nights, 100 songs I've yet to write. She has my love. She has everything in her. Inside of me, open up, play guitar without the plug, sing without the microphone, even when it's not in tune. Oh, I hope we grow together, wrinkled gray and on our walkers, make the years as best we can. Kiss your lips, I'll hold your hand. All the flowers I will give you, roses red and violets of blue. Hundreds of special nights, 100 songs I've yet to write. She has my love. She has everything in her. Inside of me, open up, play guitar with